Hello everyone, again this is 1 Quasar 1. This video will demonstrate the difference in the amount of power it takes to lift the pendulum to a horizontal position and the amount it takes to move the lever output axle to its full travel position on one side. These power measurements will be taken with a torque meter I have here. Because of the limits of the meter, I have removed exactly half of the generating capacity of the device and exactly half of the pendulum bob weight. You can see on the table that I've removed the drive lever, axle, T-shaft, and the links. And you can see that I have removed these two bob weights that weigh exactly 1 pound each. Okay, the torque meter measures in inch-pounds and newtons. I'll be using the inch-pound scale. The screw drive gear motor will be the load right here. And let's go ahead and take some measurements. The first measurement will be at the pendulum axle at 90 degrees from plumb. Here we go. My measurement reads 44 inch-pounds. I will reset the dial. Let's do this the right way here. Yeah, I was going right. Sorry. Got a little glare on this display. It's hard to see sometimes. Okay, there we go. We are zeroed out. Now we're going to take the second measurement at the lever output axle. You can see that the reading is right at 49 inch-pounds. So I have 44 and 49. What we'll do is I will take these measurements again. Once again, the pendulum 90 degrees from plumb. I read 43 on that try. Zero out again. I will do one more on the pendulum. I read 43 on that attempt. Okay, now I'm going to do two more at the lever output axle there. Zero it out again. Zero. This attempt looks like 44. And we'll zero this out again. Zero it out. Once again, it looks like 44. I may have gotten heavy-handed on the first attempt. Okay, now I'm going to show you the power pendulum running the screw drive gear motor, and I want you to note the number of swings or cycles of the pendulum as that powers that device. Okay, here, once again we're pulling the pendulum at 90 degrees from plumb, and we will watch the device run the device. Notice the backlash in the unit. I have a lot of backlash, so I'm losing a lot of potential there. We'll let this wind down, and then I will turn this thing around and we will let the pendulum run with the LEDs. And there goes my backdrop. Getting a little windy today. Okay, I think that's sufficient. Disconnecting the motor, and I'm only going to power up the LEDs. Once again, this will be from a 90 degrees from plumb. Once again, you can see the backlash that I have on the unit, and that's with just 2 of the generators. Okay, I think you'll see that I've just shown that with the amount of energy it takes to move the pendulum at 90 degrees from plumb, the lever that takes an almost equal amount of energy for only 1 cycle is moved to and fro by the pendulum for a number of cycles under a load. Please draw your own conclusions. I would encourage replies and requests for clarification and or alternate means of testing. This concludes this test and demo. Thank you.